by Alex Becker. But don't just passively watch these videos. Take notes, either on a Google Doc or in a notebook. Watch these 5 videos first, and I promise it will change how you think about money. After that, dive into interviews with CEOs and millionaires. Even when I'm at the gym, I like listening to podcasts between sets and taking notes. The final habit is learning high-income skills. Learn skills that are evergreen and future-proof. More importantly, learn skills that align with your personality. Are you creative? Then learn writing, video editing, or design. Are you charismatic? Then learn marketing, sales, or content creation. If you enjoy building things, learn programming, software, or how to build online stores. When you combine your unique strengths with the right skills, you'll become unstoppable. And the skills you learn should be in high demand. For example, designers will always be needed. If you're creative, you could start a thumbnail design agency for YouTubers. Or if you're passionate about fitness, you could sell advice or create a business around it. The opportunities are limitless. Lastly, forget about investing in stocks or crypto until you've mastered a high-income skill that generates steady cash flow. Don't think you'll get rich just by investing $200 in crypto. Focus on gaining skills first. I hope this video was valuable to you. If you want more exclusive insights on how to achieve success and financial independence, make sure to follow me on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new video. We're all on the path to success, and I'm sure we'll make it.